Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to easily make tea with a Danish pastry. This simple method ensures a delightful experience every time. First, select your preferred tea, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. Then, pick out a delicious Danish pastry, perhaps a flaky apple or a creamy cheese one. Gather your teapot, a cozy teacup, and a timer, and make sure you have some hot, filtered water ready to go. Now, let's brew that perfect cup of tea. Heat your water to the correct temperature. For most black teas, that's around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, while green teas prefer a cooler 175 degrees. Add about 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water into your teapot. Steep black teas for 3 to 5 minutes and green teas for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring a rich, flavorful, and never bitter brew. While your tea is steeping, let's prepare the Danish pastry. For the best experience, gently warm your Danish in an oven at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Alternatively, a microwave can warm it in 15 to 20 seconds, but be careful not to overheat it, as this can make it tough. A warm Danish enhances its buttery flakiness and brings out its delicious fillings, making it the perfect companion for your tea. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delightful treat. Pour your perfectly brewed tea into your favorite teacup, perhaps adding a splash of milk or a touch of honey if you like. Place your warm, fragrant Danish pastry right beside it. Take a moment to savor the wonderful combination of the rich tea and the sweet, flaky pastry. This easy method creates a truly comforting and satisfying experience, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.